you been wondering what all the buzz is about regarding heat pumps? HeatSmart FLX South is presenting its first open house series this June through September. Enjoy several free and family-friendly in-person opportunities to check out heat pumps for clean heating and cooling. Visit your neighbor's home or a local small business and find out why they decided to heat smart, cool smart. They will be on hand to answer your questions while you inspect the technology up close. Open houses in person will run for 3 hours with mini tours provided as folks accumulate. You may come and go throughout this time as you please. Complimentary KN95s will be provided, but please respect each homeowner's or business's wishes. Complimentary light snacks will be available. Participants at each tour will be entered into a raffle for a $10 gift card to a local hardware store. Those who attend 3 or more events will be entered for a $50 gift card. Pre-registration is required, so our hosts will be prepared. Register for the open houses at bit.ly/heatpumpopenhouse or sign up for our virtual visit this summer. HeatSmart FLX South is an ISERTA clean heating and community ready to help you with your advising needs today.
The HeatSmart Hector has 3 different components. There's insulation, which is not sexy but really helps your house stay warm. There's air source hot water heaters you can get, and there's heat pumps, geothermal, or air source. So we have all 3 of those things in our house. It's made our house so much warmer, and we saved a bunch of money.